Hello everybody, welcome back, children of the channel. And if you're not a child of this channel, you should definitely take a moment and subscribe right now. Go ahead, I'll wait. Whoa, that sounded kind of culty, didn't it?
It was supposed to.
Anyways, let's shoot this a little more wide since it's going to be an unboxing of this filter. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you know what it is about. Hey look, I went to the gun range the other day and you can see my target. Anyways, I was originally going to buy a 50mm EF 1.2 to get the dreamy effect. Planes. Didn't realize someone got a kill streak while I was doing my video. But yeah, anyways, I wanted to achieve the dreamy looking effect, but then also didn't want to spend, what is it, almost $1,000 for that lens. Which way is this open? Because it's not sealed. Maybe it is. And so they just came back in stock with this dream filter again. And then, so I went ahead and snapped it up as fast as I could. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I mean, we all kind of know, woo, there it is. Just like they always show it on their Instagram. Bubble wrap. What is this? A microfiber towel? Wow, I didn't know that comes with it. That's awesome. A microfiber towel, probably good to keep in your camera bag for any of your camera gear. Plus one of those little air blasters. Packaged pretty well. So thank you for your purchase. As filmmakers ourselves, we have always searched for ways to create unique effects in camera. I agree. This product was inspired us to design this product. We want to empower the creative behind the lens, whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, or a filmmaker. We want to provide you with tools to be expressive. The creative possibilities with these products are endless. Be bold. And then it shows their Instagram handle. Honestly, anytime this company posts something and you comment it or you have a question, they're always pretty good at getting back to you within like a day or so. So that's awesome. I love companies that do that. So let's get it on into actually opening this up. And so it comes with like a pouch on the back. I don't know. It looks the equivalent to where you put your ID on a wallet. So let's go ahead and I'll let you guys see it first. Drop the filter, imagine. Right here it doesn't look very different. Huh. We'll go ahead and do the light trick. So light into the camera. Yeah, it looks a little more dreamy. Oh yeah. There you go. I can definitely tell now. So yeah, that was just a small video unboxing. I like that they give you a pretty solid pouch to put the lens filter in. Definitely be having a review of this up probably within a couple weeks so that I have time to get to know this filter very well and see what works and what's not as good. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick little video of the unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Catch you next time. Bye.